Hello there! Do you want to learn how to generate types for your collections and how to protect them using API rules? In this video, we will do both of these. For a better developer experience in the next part, where we will build the actual CRUD application. This is the fifth part of the free Pocketbase course. So if you haven't yet, check out the other parts. But now, let's go. First, we will do some updates to the collections inside of Pocketbase. So, we first open the expenses collection and click on Added Collection. Here we create a new field of type relation and we call it user. This new field will be used to define who can access which expenses. To do so, we will open the Edit tab, API rules, and specify the following ones. The list rule at request.auth.id equals user.id, which basically means only the related user can access this expense. We will also use it for the view rule. For the create rule, we will type at request.auth.id equals quotes, which means that only an authenticated user can create a new expense. Finally, for the update and delete rule, we will use the previous rules again. We will also check that the category can only be listed and viewed by an authenticated user. With this, we protect our expenses, and even with a basic select, the users are only able to see their own expenses. Next up, we will generate types for the collections that we created. For this, we will use the Pocketbase TypeGen package, and we can install it with pnpm add -d Pocketbase TypeGen. Then we create a new directory to store our types called source lib types. To generate the types, we will add a new script to our package.json. The script will define the output directory and which database to use for the type generation. Finally, we generate the types by typing pnpm typegen. To then use the types in the application, we can, for example, use expenses record to type a variable or use the type in our request to Pocketbase. You will see exactly how it works in the next part where we build the actual CRUD application. Now we will create a header for our application. For this, we will use a route group, which is only visible in the editor and not in the final URL structure itself. We will call the group source routes (app) and then move the dashboard route inside of it. Additionally, we create a new layout.svelte file for the header. Inside of the new file, we will create a new skeleton app shell and use the header slot with a skeleton app bar. The app bar consists of our logo and a profile image with a drop-down when clicking on it. Inside the drop-down, the user is able to navigate to a not yet created settings page and to log out. Finally, we will make the user available everywhere in our app, specifically in the newly created route group app. We will do so because we will need the user everywhere in the app. For example, in the header if we want to display a profile image, or if we create the settings page to change the settings. To do so, we will create source routes (app) plus layout.server.ts and load the user in here. With that, it will be available in all routes below this one. This also means we can now remove the user loading from the page.server.ts inside the dashboard route. And that's it. With this, we generated types for our collections. We are protecting them using API rules, and we even made our user everywhere in the app available. The current state can be found in the repository linked in the descriptions under course -5 as a branch. I hope you liked this course so far, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. If you enjoyed the course, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe to my channel. So thanks for watching and see you in the next one.